Welcome to YCfee. Rose is the symbol of love and beauty. But did you know that roses also bring immense economic value? Today, we will explore the journey of transforming beautiful roses into precious essential oil. A multi-million-dollar industry awaits you. Let's dive into the magical process from rose fields to the bottle of essential oil in your hands. Rose essential oil has been used for thousands of years, from ancient times to the present, considered a natural treasure with many wonderful uses. Historically, rose essential oil was used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments, from soothing skin and reducing stress to healing wounds. Today, rose essential oil is a key ingredient in many cosmetic and healthcare products, from luxurious perfumes and high-end skin creams to therapeutic treatments. With its gentle fragrance and excellent skincare properties, rose essential oil provides not only beauty but also relaxation and mental balance. Join us as we visit a rose garden in California, where each rose is meticulously cared for to produce the best essential oil. Here, every rose is nurtured with love and dedication, ensuring they meet the highest quality standards for the extraction process. Each blooming season is a vibrant harvest time. The fragrance fills the air, signaling a bountiful crop. The process of growing roses begins with selecting the best varieties, preparing nutrient-rich soil, and creating a favorable environment. Every step of care is carried out with meticulous attention and passion, ensuring each rose reaches the highest quality for essential oil extraction. From the vast rose fields to the precious bottle of essential oil, each step is a journey filled with passion and dedication. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the process of growing and extracting rose essential oil in the next segment. To create the best roses, the first and most crucial step is selecting the right varieties. Only the finest rose varieties are chosen for cultivation. The soil is meticulously prepared, rich in nutrients, and well aerated to ensure the optimal environment for the roses to thrive. From small saplings, the roses gradually grow and bloom, creating a stunning landscape. Every stage is carefully monitored and executed with precision, from watering and fertilizing to pruning, ensuring the roses meet the highest quality standards. From the Rose Garden, join us as we visit the modern rose essential oil production facility. The production process begins with harvesting fresh roses early in the morning when their fragrance is most intense. After harvesting, the roses are quickly transported to the factory to ensure their quality. Here, the roses undergo thorough inspection before entering the extraction process. The extraction of rose essential oil is carried out using steam distillation, preserving the rose's fragrance and nutrients. Steam carries the essential oil from the petals, which is then condensed to separate the oil. The extracted oil is meticulously filtered to remove impurities and then stored under optimal conditions to maintain its quality. Each drop of rose essential oil is carefully extracted, carrying the exquisite fragrance and valuable essence. After packaging and final quality checks, the bottles of essential oil are neatly arranged in the warehouse. Rose essential oil is a valuable ingredient in many products such as scented candles, perfumes, and skincare creams, offering relaxation for both the mind and body. Besides essential oil, roses are also used to make tea, decorative items, and various other products, providing comprehensive utility. From the rose fields to the precious bottle of essential oil, each step in this journey is carried out with dedication and precision. Experience and discover the wonderful products made from rose essential oil, a gift from nature to you. As we conclude this journey, we not only appreciate the beauty of roses, but also uncover the significant economic and environmental value of rose essential oil production. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to watch more interesting videos.